Hello guys, this is Julia, and today I am back with another video which is slightly different. This is going to be a reaction video to an ISO somebody sent me, which is Windows CTAC. I have no idea what it is, except only a few things about it, which I've never actually seen the ISO in action, but the things I did hear about this ISO is that it's a parody of an OS, and I heard that that OS was Windows XP. Now, I don't know exactly what this is going to look like, or what it really is, so we're going to install it in a VM, and we're going to see how it is, which someone sent me this ISO, however, it was made by somebody else. I'm going to put a short clip explaining by who, because I don't know exactly, and if I look it up, I might see the OS, so I didn't want to look it up, so I'm just going to, put in a little clip explaining about it, about who made it and stuff, and then I'll get back to the video. So here you guys go. Okay, so I looked up Windows CTAC, and it appears that someone named Enderman has made this. So that's also what I heard from people in the video later on that you'll see. So I'm pretty sure Enderman was the one that made it. Now I'm gonna have to say this, Enderman. This is actually pretty clever. Gonna have to say, most interesting OS I've seen, which, not try to give spoilers since you guys haven't seen the full video yet, but my overall opinion on this OS is that it's very interesting and not something I've really seen before, so good job on this. Oh, and I also noticed you spelt Windows wrong on the boot logo, or the boot screen, which is great. This is just amazing. But anyways, I'm actually going to be taking a look at his videos and seeing the kind of stuff, because I'm sure he makes some interesting stuff, so I'll be checking that out since I haven't actually watched his video yet, and I'll watch his video on Windows CTAC after this. So, anyways, I'm going to start editing and getting this video up, so I'm going to stop this so you guys can see the rest. Alright, now you guys saw what this ISO is and who made it, we are going to actually install it in a VM, which I'm going to create a new virtual machine, and I know a lot of people have probably already seen this OS. I'm a little late to the party, but, you know, it's always good to at least see it, and I thought, why not? I don't know what version of XP it is, so I'm just gonna say professional, because I don't know. I think it's CTAC, if I spelled that right. Let me check. Yeah, the ISO is Windows CTAC, so we're gonna install that. So I guess 40 gigs fine. It's not a very big ISO. Let's see what hardware this has. I should probably give it at least like 4 gigs, because that's the minimum for a 32-bit. I think I should give it 2 processors. I mean, I have a decent computer, it can handle it. Okay, it's actually really overkill, but oh well. So now we're putting the ISO in. Now, I don't know what this is gonna be, because, other than knowing it's a parody of XP, that's pretty much all I know about this ISO. I mean, I'm surprised that I didn't hear more about it. Let's see what this is. Oh boy. For CTAC, does that have to say CTAC compatibility? Because press M to press F to pay respects. What? What is? What? I am so confused. What did I just see? Setup cannot determine the type of computer you have, or chosen to manually select a type. I don't know what, so I'm gonna say other. Okay, gonna have to say standard. Setup is starting Windows. See, it was way too fast to even be able to read what it said. You know, what the heck is this? Is this gibberish? Like, what? Okay, I'm going to do something here. I'm gonna close this. because I want to move the hard drive of the VM to my actual hard drive, because I think my SSD is a little too fast, and I can't read what the stuff is saying. How do I move it? You know, I'm actually gonna delete this VM and recreate it. I will be right back. So this is where I actually want to store it. I want to store it in my storage drive, and I have a folder called VMs. And let's make a new folder because honestly I should be storing VMs on my storage drive. So we are gonna do that. Okay, now with our VM recreated on my storage drive with the same exact specs, we are going to start this, and let's actually read it. Setup is expecting for CTAC eligibility, that's what it said. Press M to watch no explore challenge. Press F to pay respects. See, it's not going as fast as it was before, but it's still fast, so I'm just gonna have to do that. Setup is starting Windows. This is where we see all the gibberish text again. Which, to be honest, like, wow, this is like a lot of gibberish. Look at this. Bye, blah, blah. Maybe that isn't gibberish. Maybe that actually says something. I don't know what that is, because it looks like it's the same word over and over. So, I don't know if that's like a meme or something, or if that's someone's, like, name. But the second line right here is definitely gibberish. So we want to install there. So we're going to do enter. A new partition for Windows CTAC has been created on blah 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 disk, blah blah blah. This partition... What? It has a bad word. From the list below, select the file system for the new partition. Use the left or right arrow keys to select the file system you want. Press enter. If you want to select a different partition for Windows CTAC, press escape. This is better but worse than ext. This means you click that. This is better than worse than ext. This means you click that. Let's do that one. Please wait while set up. Oh! And it was a ton of gibberish. Oh, destroying drive C. Setup randomly decided to interrupt the copying process. Press enter if you want to keep this screen. XD. Press escape to continue copy the files. Caution, not recommended. To pay respects, press F. I'm just gonna do enter. No, it doesn't. No, they were right. It keeps the screen. Press escape. Did it freeze? What? Is this F? F doesn't do anything. Let's press F for respects. Okay, that doesn't even do anything. Guys, I can't even install Windows CTAC. Legit, it's not even installing. What even is this? What in... Okay, I don't know what to do at this point. Why is it not working? Hey look, it still works if I hold it. Please wait while setup copies files in the Windows installation folders. It may take... Oh! I did it. What the crap is that? Is that Comic Sans? Oh god, that better not be Comic Sans. What? Wait, what the crap is this? Oh my god. An exciting new look. Windows CTAC sports a visual design that combines a sleek look with appealing colors. Makes it easier to access by automatically cleaning up notification area in your taskbar and your icons. Windows CTAC makes it easier to switch between programs. And there's a comment in like Russian down here, and I don't even know what that is. If anyone knows what that is saying, please tell me in the comments. Try the new Best Super SAS experience, Windows CTAC. It's installing right now, and I don't know what this means. And what is this? Is this like a cat? Is that what it's supposed to say? Oh god. I can't even read this. What the heck? It's just a ton of gibberish and I can't even read it, so... I don't have a product key. Uh-oh. No. I'm just gonna leave that blank. And leave that. This looks really strange. I feel like I might have seen that screen before though with all that gibberish, but I'm not entirely sure. Cause that looks really, that text was legit unreadable. And I thought I saw that before, but I don't know if it was this OS or not. Oh god, that loading screen. Yeah, this is definitely an XP parody. What the heck? Oh god, is it already installed? I did not expect it to be this crazy. Like, I expected it to be like... I expected it to be more of a normal OS. And then when I go and install it, it's just completely hilarious. Like, gibberish text. Just funny things. I never seen a setup say a swear. Oh no. Echo, bro, welcome to the new Windows CTAC Windows. Gracias for user Windows CTAC, bro. Welcome to CTAC. I think that's Spanish. I think that means thank you for using Windows CTAC. Created by Dong Elak and an Enderman something. So I guess that's who created it. And it's saying created by 2 other people as well. Press any key to continue. And what the heck is a C? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P. Okay, the whole alphabet. What? Why is it opening Paint? Say what? What did this say? I don't know. It opened Paint. I could use my little drawing tablet here to draw something. So I have a drawing tablet, and this may help. It kind of messed up, but hey. And I could just, I guess, draw with this. I mean, I'm not the best drawer in the world. I'm kind of just like messing around with the OS. But this is one of the most interesting ISOs I've ever seen. Like, I did not expect it to be that crazy. Okay, well, I'm gonna close Paint. No, I don't want to save it. Now it opens Notepad. There it is. There we go. Hello, I don't know what this OS even is. It's so funny and strange and great. 11 out of 10. It's probably gonna open another application when I close it. Everyone, place your bets down in the comments. Imagine it opens like another CMD, or it's probably gonna open like another accessory, if I had to guess. Or not. So now what? What do I do with this? Do I just close it? Yeah, I guess so. Okay. Oh, there it is. That looks a little more normal than before. And the button says CTAC. And the username is great. Probably because it had the gibberish stuff. Not very many things. Set program access and defaults, Windows catalog, accessories, it has all the accessories. There's some of them, the system tools. It's got disk cleanup, but it doesn't have defrag. Oh, Katie would like this because it has system restore on it, which is great. Entertainment, it's got sound recorder, volume center, media player, communications, nothing. I mean, this isn't too many programs, to be straight up honest. It seems like a very slimmed down XP. Oh yeah, let's tell it I finished installing. Because it's installed now, and this is the strangest thing I've ever seen. Like, what even is this? Like, oh, well, that's nice. It seems like a lot of the fonts were removed. It's still got the sample pictures. That's nice. Let's actually set one as the background. I guess there was no custom wallpaper, or if there was, it didn't work. I like this. A, B, C, T, F, E. I think that's great. This is great. CTAC's documents, blah 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 blah. Let's see if we can get VMware tools to install, which I don't even know if it will even install. I never tried it, but you know, it says make sure you're logged into if you don't see VMware tools, blah blah blah. Okay, but where is it? It's not even mounting. Oh, there it is. Nope. Or it already ran. Yeah, it already ran. Now, I don't know if this is actually going to work because of how slimmed down this version is. Now, I mean, I don't know if this video is going to be super entertaining. It was more just me installing this ISO that I've never seen before and giving my overall opinions on it. And I'm going to have to say, like, it's interesting. It's making beeping sounds, so, oh, that's really interesting. And this, what even is this? Is that supposed to be a cat, like, from the setup? Wait, there's a text file. I don't know if that was there before. Oh, this is from VMware Tools. Did it fail to install, or did it install? I think it did install. Let me, VN, let me do this. Where is it? View, fit guest. There we go. That looks better. So, I'm pretty sure, like, oh, antivirus software may not be installed, of course. We already set the display, so I'm not gonna mess with that. Okay, and it beeped at me again. So, I'm trying to figure out what else is different in this. I'm trying to figure out if there's anything I'm missing. Let's go to, like, control panel. Again, I can't read that. That's great. Like, oh, is that the personalized menu? The personalized menu, oh yeah. But yeah, there's no firewall and no antivirus. I think it's got all the default backgrounds, plus some, like, weird backgrounds. These are like just these weird backgrounds. Like, they removed pretty much all the XP backgrounds, it looks like, from here. Whoa, is this screensavers? That's nothing. There's no screensavers. See, I can't even read anything. They removed, like, all the themes as well. Wow, this is really interesting. Like, this is definitely a parody of XP. It's pretty much XP, very slimmed down to the point where it doesn't even have fonts for everything. And the boot up was changed. And the... what else? The boot up was changed, the login screen was changed. If you go to a file, which, let's see. This is the weirdest install I've ever seen. What's this? This is the Windows folder, I guess. It looks like the Windows folder, but it's renamed to CTAC. We have the program files, we have A, B, C, D. I guess. This is very strange. I've never seen an OS like this. Now we have the user. And I guess this is for all users. Gonna have to say, this is very interesting. I've never seen an OS like this modified before. And they changed the say CTAC. See, I'm trying to see if there's anything else I'm missing. If there's anything else I'm missing, leave a comment and I'll take a look at it in this OS, because this is very interesting. This is like... Is there a way to see the system properties? Maybe something was done there. I can't even read it. That's great. And the security thing is saying there's problems. There's no antivirus, and there's no firewall, but it says we have updates, but we don't have anything else, and it looks like there is updates, but I don't know if they'd actually install because, you know, update for Windows XP. Okay, sure. I doubt the updates will even work, because this is so slimmed down. Oh, it did. Okay. Well, we installed one update for no reason, but okay. I don't even think that was a security update either. It was just a regular update. Now, if there's anything you guys would like me to do with this, leave comments. I probably won't make a video on it, but if there's anything you guys want me to look at in this OS, or anything interesting that you want me to look at. But, yeah, this is a very interesting ISO. Gonna have to say, I've never seen anything like this. This is really interesting. Oh, before we stop it, let's shut down the VM. I don't even understand what this picture actually is, so if anyone has any idea what that picture is, please tell me. So, I don't know what it's doing. It's saying stuff, but I can't even read it. I think it might be updating. Well, if it is, I'll just let it do its thing and end the video here. Thanks for watching, guys. I wonder how many it's doing, but I guess there's no way to really read it, so... Okay, what? I didn't know it did this, but I went back to my VM and it mentioned something about, oh, the CPU has been disabled, turn off the machine or something. And I open it and I see this, with this weird, I guess, cat thing or whatever, and it says, it is now safe to turn off your computer. What? This isn't Windows 98? Like, what is this? I guess maybe XP can do it, but it's a setting? But I've never seen it. I remember when they used to do this, but it's weird, it like turned off the CPU. It's apparently when it does this, it turns your CPU off and you turn the computer off manually. That's strange. So now I'm just gonna have to go here and do shutdown guest. And then a fragmented virtual disk is affecting the virtual machine's performance to fragment the following virtual disks? What? I've never seen that either. Wow. Well, I guess that's it. Okay, so I decided to join VC here, and we're gonna talk for a minute about Windows CTAC.
Also known as STAS.
I did not know it was pronounced like that, so
Try
I
to
was
pronounce
pronouncing it wrong the entire time.
Yeah, because it sounds Russian.
Yeah, I figured like because there was like Russian text on there. I should have figured that.
Stanislav.
So what does that word even mean?
It's like a male's name.
It's pretty similar to my name, so yeah.
So basically, when I saw Windows CTAC, I was not expecting that. It looked
You
so
get a reverse
weird.
card.
It looked so weird to me. It just seemed so weird. Oh, now you're calling it best. Okay. To me, it just looked really weird. Is there anything you guys would like to say about Windows CTAC in this video? Like anything you guys would like to say?
It's Russian.
Yes.
It's made from Enderman or
Enderman channel. It's from Enderman.
Enderman CH, you mean?
Enderman.
So it's Enderman.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Enderman from Minecraft. No.
So,
No.
Okay.
so anything else you guys would like to say about it?
Play Roblox Uno. You'll get trolled.
I don't know. It's just
No!
shooting. I don't know. It's just a
Julia.
glorified Windows XP. That's
Like,
all I
just-
have to say.
It's-
Julia should play Roblox
You mean-
Uno. It's fun.
You mean it's a crappy
Julia,
modif-
look in screen
You
share.
mean it's
Look in screen
Wait,
share.
I'm recording.
Wait.
Do you mean it's a crappy modified XP?
Hmm.
Tam?
Yes.
Alright. Well, I'm going to stop
Yes.
the video here because I don't want this video to be long. So, thanks for watching this video on Windows CTAC. I know I'm not pronouncing it right, but oh well.
Wait, Julia,
pronounced-
show screen share.
Well,
Look in screen share.
what
We're
is that?
It's Roblox Uno.
Roblox Uno.
Okay.
Look at how many cards everyone has. Wait, what?
Okay, Roblox Uno, okay.
I'm laughing.
Oh, and this is my new phone. I'm
Oh,
playing with my new
nice
phone.
phone. Alright,
Yeah,
well, thanks
it's
for
a Redmi
watching.
7.
Say bye,
Beautiful.
everyone.
It has beautiful now.
Goodbye, and Russia is the best place in the world.
That's your opinion.
You just
Alright, bye. Alright, so there's a couple more things that I wanted to say before this video ends, which, the thing I didn't realize, which I watched Enderman's video on Windows CTAC, and I noticed that there was actually some sort of themes in there, and they looked like obviously bad on purpose, because that's the point of the OS, is it's supposed to have, you know, bad looking themes, as it's a parody OS. So I missed that, and there was a couple other things I think that you could do in there, and there's actually a website for this OS as well, which will also contain downloads. So if you guys want to download this and test it for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description to Enderman's video, and you can watch his video as well, which is only like 5 minutes, and then you can visit the website in the description of his video to take a look at it. So just to wanted to let you guys know that. So sorry if this video wasn't the most entertaining. It was just me looking at this OS. As I said, big announcements are coming soon. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and bye-bye for now.